Hello guys! Welcome to our vlog. My name is Christian James Tugigi.
I am Jeremy Isguera.
I am Nika Serrano. I'm Kyra Magbok.
In today's video, we are going to Plaza Balanga.
Let's go!
We are already here at Plaza Balanga. Before we start our vlog, we are going to eat.
Yeah!
And now we are done eating, and today we are talking about the historical and significance of Balanga Plaza and Balanga Cathedral Church. Let's go!
Balanga Plaza de Mayor is a historic public square located in the heart of Balanga City, Bataan. It dates back to the Spanish colonial period when plaza served as the center of government, religion, and community activities. Over the years, the plaza has remained an important gathering place for local events, celebration, and daily social life, reflecting the rich cultural heritage history of Balanga City.
Balanga Plaza is considered one of the best tourist spots in Bataan because of its beautiful surroundings, relaxing atmosphere, and historical significance. Visitors can enjoy walking around the well-maintained park, taking photos, and experiencing local culture. Its location near to restaurant and government, building its convenient and attractive destination for both tourists and residents.
The Cathedral Shrine and Parish of St. Joseph, commonly known as Balanga Cathedral, was established in 1739 by Spanish missionaries. Dedicated to St. Joseph,